Are your hips feeling tight? Shoulders stiff? This 5-minute dynamic hip and shoulder flow will loosen up your body, improve mobility, and boost circulation so you can start your day feeling strong and open. No equipment needed, just you, your breath, and the floor. This routine is location friendly. You can do it in your bedroom, your living room, the gym, or even outside. What's today's plan, you may ask? Well, I got you covered. We'll flow through 5 key stretches that will unlock your hips, relieve shoulder tension, and fire up your core. Most people just skip mobility work, think it's not important, and wonder why they feel stiff and sluggish. But you're here and you're putting in the work. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel loose, mobile, and energized. Let's hit the mat. We'll start with a controlled movement to loosen tight hips and lower back stiffness. Kneel on the floor with your hands resting lightly on your hips. Begin shifting your hips in a semicircle motion, starting from front to right, then back to left. Keep the motion slow and controlled, feeling the gentle stretch in your hip flexors and lower back. Repeat in one direction for 30 seconds, then switch directions. This movement warms up the hip joints, increases circulation, and relieves tension in the lower back, especially if you've been sitting for long hours. Beginners start with small, slower circles and gradually increase range. Advanced stretches engage your core and try lifting your knees slightly for added stability. Now that our hips feel more open, let's add more movement and range with full hula hoops. A dynamic movement to increase hip mobility, improve balance, and activate the core. Stay in your kneeling position with your hands on your hips. This time, rotate your hips in full circular motions, as if tracing a giant hula hoop around your waist. Move slow and controlled, engaging your core and lower back. Perform for 30 seconds in one direction, then switch. This movement improves hip flexibility, enhances circulation, and strengthens the lower back, making it perfect for unlocking tightness. Beginners keep the circles small and slow for better control. Advanced stretches widen the circles and focus on engaging your obliques. Now that the hips are mobile, let's counteract tight shoulders and open the chest. A powerful stretch to open the shoulders, improve posture, and increase lung capacity. Stay in a kneeling position and clasp your hands behind your back. Inhale deeply and lift your chest, rolling your shoulders back and down. Exhale as you press your hands downward, feeling a deep stretch in your chest and shoulders. Hold for 1 minute, keeping your core engaged and breathing deeply. This move reverses the effects of poor posture, relieves upper body tension, and increases shoulder mobility. Perfect if you spend hours at a desk or on your phone. Beginners hold a towel or band between your hands to reduce strain. Advanced stretches lean forward slightly while lifting your hands for a deeper stretch. Now that the shoulders and chest are open, let's target the hips and groin with frog squat. A deep stretch to open the hips, stretch the groin, and improve squat mobility. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, toes turned outward. Slowly lower into a deep squat, keeping your chest lifted and spine straight. Place your elbows inside your knees and press them outward to deepen the hip stretch. Hold this position, breathing deeply for 1 minute. This stretch improves hip mobility, strengthens the lower body, and prepares your legs for movement. Beginners hold onto a wall or support for balance. Advanced stretches add a gentle rock side to side for dynamic mobility. Now that our hips feel open, let's flow through child's pose into cobra to stretch the spine and shoulders. A fluid movement to relax the spine, open the chest, and improve mobility. Start in child's pose. Sit back onto your heels, arms stretched forward. Inhale, shift forward into cobra pose, pressing your palms down and lifting your chest. Exhale, return to child's pose, keeping the movement smooth. Continue this dynamic flow for 1 minute, moving with your breath. The spinal wave motion improves back flexibility, stretches the chest and shoulders, and relieves tension from head to toe. Beginners, keep the cobra gentle by staying on your forearms. Advanced stretches, lift your thighs slightly in cobra for a deeper stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.